Hello gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you some new products. I have the new Natasha Denona Mini Love palette that we're going to be playing with today. And I also have the new Essence Tinted Primer. We are going to start with our eyes. I'm going to prime the eyes with a little concealer. This is the Pat McGrath Labs concealer. We're going to set that concealer on the eye with just a little bit of translucent powder. This is the Peach Perfect from Too Faced. Smells delicious. Now we're going to get into the Natasha Denona Mini Love palette. What's cool about this palette is the names. You Are My True Love. So it goes, You Are My True Love. We are going to go in with a neutral mauve-y pink. Natasha Denona's formula is super blendable, smooth. One of my favorite shadows. This is a mini version of her larger sized Love palette. Comment below if you have that palette. These are new shades. These are not duplicates of the shadows that are in that larger palette. But if you're a collector, there's no reason why you can't have both. They are in the same color family. Let's go into this deeper plum shade with a smaller blending brush, just to deepen that outer corner. Next we're going to go under with a small flat brush, and we're going to go back into that transition shade right there. I'm going to zoom you in for the rest of this look. Is that better? So what we did was we went through the transition with this shade. Then we took the deeper shade right here and went in to that outer corner. Then we took a flat shader brush and went underneath. I want to deepen that outer corner there with that deeper plum shade there. Now for the lid shade, we have a couple different options. We have this shade right here, which is right here. That is a duochrome that has some pinks and shifts in it. This is a lighter one, a little pinkier. And then this last one is the bright pink one. I think we'll go in with the first one. So this one right here, which should be Love. Go in with your finger and just pack that on the lid. That's a beautiful shade. Got shifts of color in it. Now I'm going to take some of this shade right here and put it right on the edge over here. See if that makes a difference. And then I'm going to take this. Then we're going to take this brighter shade right here and put it on the inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with liner and lashes, and we'll be back and move on. Okay, we are back with liner and lashes. I used the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Black Twist Up Liner, and I used the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So the next thing we're going to go into is our next new product, and this is from Essence. This is their newest tinted primer. I got it in the shade Nude Beige. Now this is supposed to smooth and prime your skin, and it has an added tint, so we'll see if we need a little more coverage or how it does. It feels thick, but it smooths out when you warm it up in the fingers, so let's go ahead and put some on. Silky, soft, and smooth. There's definitely some coverage happening. I can still see some of my skin imperfections coming through, but overall I would definitely call that a light to medium coverage. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of my ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation, and I'm just going to spot correct. You could use your concealer for this as well, but I have a lighter concealer for under my eyes. So I'm just going to take a teeny bit on my brush, and I'm going to lightly cover. Just the thinnest layer, just to cover up any spots that I think need a little help. But you could see I used barely anything. That looks great. That looks fantastic. I am impressed. It does not feel heavy on the face. The smell, it's slightly fragranced, but nothing too much. So let's move on, and I'm going to throw on some. I will put in the comment bar how it wore. Make sure you check the description box. I will let you know how it wore the rest of the day, if it brought out my oils, how it worked, but so far so good. I'm going to jump into some concealer. This is from Pat McGrath. Setting the under eye with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Air Brush Flawless Finish Powder. Smoothing, soft. I really like this under my eyes. You could use it all over your face, but I save it for under my eyes. For setting the full face, I'm going to use some of my Too Faced Peach Perfect mattifying powder. This one smells and tastes like peach, but really sets the makeup, takes away the shine. It's a good product. Let's go in with some Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronzer. The smell is also amazing on this product. The next product we're going to talk about is the Wet n Wild Hello Halo, and it's got a blush and a highlight in it. Got a little bit of a pinky undertone. This one is in the shade Bling. So we've got a pinky with a shimmer to it blush here, as well as a highlight. So we're going to highlight first. It's pretty intense. Next we'll go in with some of the glowy blush. I'm going to add a little deeper of a blush there. I believe that both of those are really more, I would use them more as highlighters. So to supplement, I'm going to jump in with my Honest Beauty cream blush in Peony Pink. This is a cream blush. Never let you down. It smells like berries. I am going to take care of these eyebrows and add some false lashes, and I will be right back and we will finish off with the lips. Okay, the brows are on. Bottom mascara, I added some Demi Wispies that are magnetic. They are the Ardell Magnetic Accents. And now we are ready to jump into the lips. If you're interested, the brow pencil that I used was from a company called AOA Studio. This is a company, an online company called Shop Miss A. I absolutely love their products and they're extremely inexpensive. Most items are $1 or less than $2. Comment below if you want me to do a video on the fantastic finds that I have from Shop Miss A. I love the eyebrow. I have some lipsticks. I've tried a few different products from them. So let me know if you would like a dedicated video to, oh, their makeup sponges. If you love makeup sponges, Shop Miss A is really cool. And then mascara, we talked about the Clinique High Impact. I set the brows with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Love it. Now we're going to jump into the lips. This is a ColourPop Lippy pencil. And then this is the Sephora Matte Cream Lip Stain in Rosewood. These are one of my very favorite liquid lipsticks. They dry down, they are comfortable, they last a long time. They're Sephora brand, so they're inexpensive, maybe $12, $14. Love them. I think we are set. What I'm going to do now is set the face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in the Coconut set. Tell me what your plans are for Valentine's Day. Are you staying home? Are you going out? I know it's difficult in this crazy world that we're in right now, but I hope that you will be around someone that you love, whether it's your dog or your partner or your kitty cat or your kids. Comment below who you're going to be giving some extra loving to on Valentine's Day this year. I hope you enjoyed this look. I love the Natasha Denona palette. I am not a huge pink fan, but I think this is soft. I think it's sweet. I think it's nice. And the Essence Primer is fantastic. I really like the way my skin looks very smooth. No oils are coming through, but do check the description box. I will let you know if the eyeshadow faded, if the primer broke up, but so far so good. Everything is good. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining me. Please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day and happy Valentine's Day.